If you want a very strong stitch, especially for permanent seams or repairs, the backstitch is your best friend. It creates a continuous line of stitching that's more secure than a running stitch, and it's especially useful for areas that get a lot of wear. How to do it? Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Take a small stitch forward and push the needle down. Come back up 1 stitch length ahead. Instead of going forward again, bring the needle back into the end of the previous stitch. Repeat this pattern, always coming up ahead and going back into the previous stitch. Some tips. For smooth, even lines, mark your seam with a pencil or chalk first. Keep a steady pace and don't pull the thread too tight. And you will use this stitch for strong seams, mending small holes or tears, outlines and embroidery, and areas where a sewing machine might be hard to use. The backstitch is considered one of the strongest hand stitches, and once you master it, you will find yourself using it all the time, for everything from basic seams to decorative stitches. It's the stitch I use most often.